Welcome to Financial Futures Daily, where we dive deep into the heart of the markets to bring you daily insights and professional trading strategies. If you're passionate about trading and want to stay ahead in the game, you have come to the right place. Join me every week for detailed market reviews, where we decode the day's major movements and explain how they can be practically applied to enhance your trades. This is your opportunity to gain a competitive edge in the market. Beyond our regular market reviews, we also explore the hot topics of the financial markets and trading. From the mechanics of price action in the futures market to a broad range of economic issues, we equip you with the knowledge you need to navigate today's markets. Ready to elevate your trading skills? Subscribe to Financial Futures Daily and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our expert insights. Let's make every trade count.